How to turn on or off people you may know on Facebook notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off notifications about people you may know on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook. And now click on those three lines up there. Once you are here, click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down until you find notifications and click on it. And here, scroll down again until you find people you may know. And turn off this option. There are notifications about people you may know suggestions. Here's an example. For example, someone you have a new friend suggestions. Click on it and turn off allow notifications on Facebook, or you can turn off just one of those. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.